On 3 September 2016, P. Venkatesan, 48, fell off a moving train, paralyzing the left side of his body. Venkatesan filed a case in 2016 at the Chennai Railway Claims Tribunal seeking 4 lakh compensation. After 8 years of delays, he was awarded a meager 1.4 lakh as compensation. Many litigants face similar delays and small compensations at the Railway Claims Tribunal. In 2024, the Chennai RCT took an average of 858 days to settle accident compensation cases. The RCT offers a fixed 8 lakh compensation for the deceased skin, unlike other courts. Sahidul Islam fell from a train in 2019. His family's claim was doubted despite its genuineness. Legal experts suggest Lok Adalats quickly settle railway accident claims and reduce the backlog. K. Bhaskar notes issues for those unreserved coaches with open tickets in claiming compensation. Families struggle to prove travel without tickets, impacting their compensation claims. Venkatesan's valid season ticket took months for railway authorities to verify. An error in his discharge summary further complicated Venkatesan's compensation process. Despite his efforts, Venkatesan received only 1.4 lakh for 8 years of suffering.